Hold it, honey. Okay, we'll pull it out of your hand.
Yeah. That is amazing. That is cool. Those things love apples.
And he'll probably go to you next. I just found one. I just kind of walked by and let him see.
Oh, hello.
Whoa! He got it over there.
Hi. That was a close flyby right there. Hello. Video recorder.
They're so gorgeous.
Yeah, so pretty.
I had another one on me at one point that got chased off by this one.
She's got 3 on her over there. Yours is very colorful. Oh, do I have one on me? I have one on me. I have another one on me, honey. I believe I have 2 on me. 3 on me. Do you see 3 on me? Hello. Hello. You want to get a picture of this?
I'm trying.
Oh, you got 2 on you now. I've got one there. I can't see. Hey guys. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, my apple's just about gone.
Well, you have someone more on your shoulder.
Oh, I see.
I think mine's about ready to go.
You about to set for sale?
I think so.
Oh.
I say you're supposed to put your arm out, but put your arm out, so you can.
There we go. Very pretty. Oh, you got another one. We have a pair of parrots.
Like a pair of paramedics.
A pair of paramedics and a pair of parrots.
Hi. Ooh, yours is a thief.
I didn't think you guys liked the skins. Hi. I don't think I was supposed to let you grab the skin like that.
I think he has a different idea.
Yeah.
I wouldn't take it out of his mouth.
No. Feel the bump. Come here and get me good. Come here and get me good. Hair.
You're getting squawked at.
Okay.
Oh, and that's nothing there. Ow!
Oh. Can't tell what's going on, but oh, there he went. Went over there. Ah. Now that was cool.